Hey guys, this is Jonah with Forexrazor.com. Just doing a little bit of a daily recap here for December 16th. Had some nice stuff happening today, guys, in the markets. As we talked about the other day, major economic release today with the Fed rate cut. And we did see this thing live up to a little bit more than our expectations, to be totally honest. This was an unbelievable move that we saw on both the European pairs, both the pound USD and the Euro USD just shot through the roof. But before we get there, let's talk about some of the trades we took today. Right in front of you guys, you're looking at a 1-minute chart on pound USD. That's right, this is 1 minute. And this is the UK CPI from 4:30 this morning. This report released right here. And this candle right here. And we saw this thing shoot up. And what we did was we didn't get in on this long. We were waiting for the CPI retracement. We got short right here at this line at 52.77. Went ahead and rode this thing down. Got out right at 52.37. Could have made a little bit more downward movement there, but we started seeing a little bit of consolidation. So we took our profit off the table at that point. We also did some scalping in the early London session this morning. Made total between both of these reports and the scalping made around 3%. Not a bad morning. Not a bad start. Now let's move to the U.S. interest rate statement. This was the big report of the day. Look at the euro, guys. This thing just flies through the roof. We're talking about, a good 300 plus pip move on this release. And this thing was amazing. And not only was the fact that the report was amazing, but the fact that it stalled out from the information we had. We were watching the Dow wire as this release came out, and before the news even hit the wire, we saw the Dow spike up significantly. So we went ahead and bought Euro USD on the information that the Dow was moving up. That worked out great. Gave us an entry, believe it or not, right here at the 38 level. Beautiful entry. A lot of guys made 100 plus pips on this trade. Some made more than that, depending on how long they held it. Obviously, could have made a lot more than that, but we were only using a 10 pip stop. So who's counting? But all in all, good day. nice 5% plus trading day here for Forexrazor, and no complaints on our part. We want to look at a little bit what we're going to be heading into. We've talked about the last couple days. After this interest rate statement plays out, we should see some selling pressure. Well, we did get additional cuts, more so than what was expected. This is what's caused this upward pressure. They cut by 0.75%. They were expected to cut by a half. So because of that, we've seen upward pressure. They also made some pretty strong statements to the fact that they'll keep these rates down as low as they're needed to be able to get the markets back in line. So with those strong statements being made, it caused this nice upward momentum that we're seeing. However, one thing you will see is you're going to see some fib retracement here. In fact, it's starting right now as we're speaking. You can see that we're starting to pull down a little bit for the first time on the Euro USD. I'm looking for the 38.2 at 140, or potentially the 50 fib right around 39.60. One of these fib levels, if not both of these, are going to be hit probably within the next 12 hours. Now, after that happens, we will probably get some more upward pressure. After that happens, guess what we're going to do, guys? We're going to look for a major retrace on this thing. You can see that this thing is majorly overbought. Good fundamental reasons for it being overbought. But the fact of the matter is that somebody's going to decide they want to take some profit. And when some big boy starts taking profit, everybody's going to start taking profit because the market's going to start moving down. So that is going to cause what we call retracement. And we can see right here, looking at an hourly chart, that there is next to no retracement on this move all the way back from here. So we're going to draw a Fibo line and get a little idea of where we're heading. This is on Euro USD. Top to bottom here, and we're still dropping as we're speaking here, guys. We're getting this retracement. And look what we've got, guys. We've got a 50 fib back down around 33. Am I saying we're going to hit the 50 fib? No, I'm not saying that. But I'd be really shocked if we don't at least make it to the 23.6 here. And that's going to put you right around the mid 37. So we've got quite a little ways to fall. We're going to try to grab the top of this. Don't believe that what we're seeing here is the very top, because we're just seeing the retracement from the report. Should get a nice rally back up, maybe test the highs, maybe come a little bit lower. Let's look at levels that we should see. we should see a retest here of at least 41 on this pullback. So we're looking for downward movement. We're seeing right now on this retrace, pulling to the 38.2, maybe even the 50. If we extend beyond the 61.8, guys, very important level. If we extend beyond the 61.8, we're probably going to continue down. So watch for support at 50. Watch for support at 38.2. If we break 61.8, look to get short. Otherwise, look to get short right around the 41 level when we come back up the top to hold for the long run back to the 37s. Guys, I hope this has been helpful. I hope to see you here later. Have a good day.